Hello students, today we are going to solve this very important question and you will find many solutions on YouTube in which they are solving this question using multinomial, but without multinomial also we can solve this question. So read the question. The number of ways to distribute 30 identical candles among 4 children such that C1, C2, C3, C4. C2 receives at least 4 and at most 7. C3 receives at least 2 and at most 6. So what we will do, first we will give them at least whatever is their requirement we will fulfill. So we have C1 can be greater than equal to 0. C2 should get at least 4. So give 4 candles to C4, C2. C3 receive at least 2. So give them to 2 candles. Now how many we are left with? 4 plus 2, 6. 30 minus 6 is 24. Now we know that formula, that is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. So 24 plus 4 minus 1 c 4 minus 1, which would give you 27 c3. Now what we will do, we will give them at most for C2. Give at most means 7. At most 7 means, so can we give greater than equal to 8? What we will do, we will make cases when C2 is getting greater than equal to 8. So greater than equal to 8 means we will give 8 candles to him. Now C3 needs at least 2. So give 2 to him. What we are left with, 8 plus 2, 10. 30 minus 10, 20. 20 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. So it would be 23 C3. Now same thing we will do for C3. C3 needs at most 6. That means give greater than equal to 7. And C2 needs at least 4. That means what we are left with, 7 plus 4, 11. 30, 30 minus 10, 20. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. So what it would be, 22 C3. Now it is like this, A and B. So what we are doing, we are actually counting it twice because C2 is getting more than 8 and C3 getting at least 2 and C3 getting 7 candles and C2 getting at least 4. So we are counting it twice, right? So we have to remove this part. So what we will do, next case would be A and B. A would be greater than equal to 8. It would be greater than equal to 7. So total how many? 15. 30 minus 15 would be 15. 15 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. So 18 C3. So what would be the final case? Total is what, ma? Total is 27 C3. Total is 27 C3 minus 22 C3 minus 23 C3 and plus 18 C3. So if you simplify, you will get 430 as their answer. So here we have used inclusion exclusion principle. For that, you should have a sound knowledge of that concept. So I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt and you want me to practice or if you want me to solve such questions, please share your comment in the comment section. And for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.